Exactly. Exactly. Why is it? See? Shouldn't be cookies in the refrigerator. That's not closed, should I say. Cooking this, I'll put this up here. This.
How you know the refrigerator look frozen?
Yeah, exactly. I'm gonna have to turn it down a little bit. Sorry.
It's okay. Yeah. There's one more over here. Yeah.
The juice. I might as well just pour these in the
Okay. So I fill in this spot like you want me to.
I feel this one.
Okay, all filled in. See? All filled. Look, he didn't want it to be empty, so he said he needed to fill Ism in. Wait a minute, Grammy got no, we don't need to put none on that side.
There you go, Mom. I like it, Mom.
Thank
Like
you.
it, Mom.
Thank you.
Yeah, after niggas get monetized, they start doing stuff different.
Damn right. Got to. Because it becomes more than, and then it becomes more than just a video.
Mommy, what is
Oh, that's good. That's a pie.
it?
Grammy put it in there so they can have space. Let me put these in here because I want them. Oh, they don't, that's crazy. I try to get them to stack on top. She would go like this.
Mommy, help me. Mommy, help me.
Watch out, don't put, go like this. You go like that.
Brian, can somebody help me with the trash?
Where you going? Tell Brian, help you bring it down. Brian, help bring Angel, please bring that trash down. I just bought deodorant. It should be on my room or in the bathroom in that basket, the red one.
Ron, is there deodorant in there?
I mean, this on the other hand. This is a whole nother story. What in the hell? Oh, these are them pizza thing? Y'all need to get some order with this freezer. Damn. No hamburger buns? Get down, get down.
Maybe we could watch some